Hey everyone, welcome back to Ying's Kitchen at Home channel. I make Mapo Tofu almost every week, and today I am adding a sunny side up egg on the side because that's how my girls like it. Let's get cooking. Few key ingredients are soft tofu, pork mince, and spicy bean paste. Mix together sugar, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce with water. Starting by heating some oil in a hot pan. Once it's hot, add the ground pork and let it cook for a couple of minutes until it starts to turn brown and smell amazing. You want that savory aroma to come out before we add any garlic. Once the pork is cooked and starting to turn brown, toss in the minced garlic, stir it around for 30 seconds. Just enough for the garlicky aroma to infuse into the meat. Once the garlic is fragrant, add the spicy bean paste, Doubanjiang. Stir it in and cook it with the meat until you start to see the oil release and separate from the mince. That's when all those deep, rich flavors really come alive. Next, add the pre-mixed sauce to the pan. And let everything simmer together. If it's too thick or start to dry out, just add a little bit more water to keep it saucy and flavorful. Continue cooking for a couple of minutes to let the sauce reduce and get nice and rich. Once the sauce is shimmering, gently add the tofu cubes. Be careful not to break them. Just let them soak up all the delicious flavor as it simmers. Now slowly pour in the starch slurry and gently stir. This will thicken the sauce and give it the perfect silky texture. Once everything is cooked and the sauce is nice and thick, carefully transfer it to a warm clay pot for the extra cozy, authentic vibe. Careful when you hold the clay pot, it's hot. Use some protection like mitten before you bring it to the table. Once clay pot on the table, sprinkle some chopped coriander on top for a fresh, bright finish. Get a bowl of steamed rice. The dish is perfect for spooning over rice and soaking up all that spicy sauce. I like to serve this with a sunny side up egg on the side. Look at that. The egg yolk just melting right into the rice. So creamy and perfect. Now, carefully pour a spoon of Mapo Tofu onto the plate, letting all the spicy sauce drizzle over. pack a drizzle of the running egg yolk over your rice, then mix it with some spicy Mapo Tofu. It's seriously the perfect bite. Look at this, the clay pot empty. That's how you know it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and give the dish a try at home. You won't regret it. And please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want more home cooked goodness.